If you want to enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, choose Sound and Vibration, and in here you should be able to find the Do Not Disturb setting. So if you tap here, you can turn it on or turn it off. We also have some additional settings for the DND mode, so you can set it up as you wish. Besides that, if we go back to the main page of settings and scroll down, you can find plus key settings. And in here, we can customize the plus key to use it for the Not to Disturb. So if I set it up, I can press and hold the plus key on the left side in order to turn on or turn off the DND mode. And last but not least, you can also go to Quick Settings or the Control Center, and at least by default you should be able to tap on this icon to turn on and turn off DND mode. You can also tap on the text in order to choose for how long you want to enable DND mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.